Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Elite Atlas Aero with a cable. All you need to have is just mini jack to mini jack cable what you receive in the package. So right here at the left ear cup we have mini jack port here. So just connect mini jack cable to this port, and the second one to your computer or your phone. You can also connect with the phone if your phone, of course, have a mini jack port. So connect it to the mini jack port on your PC or phone, and that's it. Now we can listen to music. We don't need to turn on these headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.